Hi, welcome to Scrapingdog tutorials. I am Manthan, your guide to Scrapingdog. And in today's video, I'll show you how to scrape any website in just few simple steps. All you need is the URL of the page you're going to scrape. For this tutorial, we are going to use this website for scraping purposes. Now there are two ways to scrape any website using Scrapingdog. Either you scrape it from the dashboard or you can just copy the API URL from the dashboard and paste it in your script. Let's try both of these methods one by one. Now copy your target URL and paste it here. If you're just starting, then you should keep JS rendering as no. Then simply click on scrape it button and wait for the results. So as you can see, we have successfully scraped our target page. You can even check the preview of the results. Now what if you have lots of product URLs? Then obviously you won't use this method for scraping. So instead of this tool, we are going to use our API. For that, just copy the API URL from here and paste it in your script. I have already pasted my API URL in my Python script. So once we run this code, I can see the status code as 200. That means our target page has been scraped successfully. And now I can use libraries like Beautiful Soup to parse crucial data out of the raw HTML. So Scrapingdog is not limited to any one website. It can help you scrape endless websites without getting blocked. If you want us to prepare a dedicated scraper for any website, then please email us at help@scrapingdog.com. And we will help you prepare a script where you can use our API for web scraping purposes. Thank you very much.